25-minute meal using the Instant Pot, fresh chicken using the seasoning from your rib rub, rice, and broccoli. Stay tuned. So for the rice, we're going to use 2 cups of water for each package, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's get it going. That's 1 cup. That's it. Pour it in. Now for the butter. As you can see, the tablespoons are already on the butter packet. Yes. So you just want to briefly cut here for 2 tablespoons of butter. And let me see, can I get you to see it here? 2 tablespoons of butter, just like that. Just like that. Drop it into your pot. And now you want to add your pot to the stove on high heat. You only want to put your water and your butter and let it come to a nice boil, and then add your rice. Don't forget your top. Now let's get the broccoli ready. Now for your broccoli, it's really up to you how much your family eats. My family eats a lot of broccoli. I add this into my pan of broccoli. It makes it taste so delicious. This comes in several different packages, but all you need is just 1 package of this to add into your broccoli. That should be enough. Now let's add your seasoning. Just tear it off, sprinkle it around in your broccoli. And just to let you know, this package will make your broccoli and your liquid on your broccoli turn orange. Add 3/4 of water. And 1.5 inch of butter. Place your broccoli on the stove at medium-high, and don't forget your top. Now on to the chicken. You see this little Ziploc bag? This is left from a rib rub that I created, made, whatever you want to say. I'm just going to use this on my chicken. So all you have to do is just get a little bit of this, sprinkle it on, just a little bit more. That should be enough. Mix it over really well. Make sure everything is blended really nice. And I think that should do it. Ooh, don't that look tasty? Now let's add it to our Instant Pot. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Spray a couple of these sprays on your chicken. It makes it taste delicious. That should be enough. Inside of your Instant Pot, you want to put 1 cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of water. Just like that. And now for your water. 2 cups of water. And now you just want to throw in your chicken. This is what it should look like inside of your Instant Pot. Put on your lid. And now for the settings. For your chicken, you want to make sure that you're just simply clicking on the pressure cook button, and you want to dial down to 10 minutes. Let it sit. It'll beep when it's done, and I'll show you what to do next. Make sure that you stir your broccoli just to move it around a little bit. Get some of that seasoning moved around inside of your pot. Replace your lid. Water's ready. Okay, all you have to do is just get your rice, tear her open, pour it in. Give it a nice stir. Let it get to a really, really nice boil, and then you just want to turn off the heat. When your rice comes to a nice boil just like this, just turn off the heat and move it away from the eye. And oh yeah, do not put the lid on your rice. Your broccoli is almost done. You just want to give it another quick little stir, move it around just a little bit. When your broccoli is ready, it will turn to a nice pastel green. Make sure on your Instant Pot that you have already set your little knob to the sealing position. If not, it will not build pressure. Your broccoli's done. Now all you want to do is turn off the heat and remove it from the eye. On your Instant Pot, it takes anywhere from, when a low setting, it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to completely heat up the machine, and then you will notice that your number that you placed on your Instant Pot, it will display there where it states on. As you would notice, as your machine is building pressure on your Instant Pot, you will see little bitty smoke just like that start to escape from that little venting button there on your machine. It's absolutely normal, no need to panic, everything is going just perfectly. After letting your rice sit for probably about 5 minutes, this is what your rice should look like. You just simply want to give it a stir, and as you can see, all of that liquid that was inside of your rice has completely absorbed inside of your rice. Delicious. Now that your broccoli is ready, you just simply want to pour a little bit of this roasted garlic Parmesan Alfredo sauce on it. It's going to taste delicious. That's going to be delicious. Oh yeah. And look what else is almost ready. 2 more minutes. And guys, it is ready. As you will notice here, that little L that's there, it will tell you how many minutes that your machine was done cooking your food. So you want to wait until that number there gets to about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll show you how I release the steam. As you can see, that little red peg that's back there, it is lifted. That means the pressure is on your pressure cooker. You want to make sure that you do not open your lid as long as that little red peg is up in that position. Wait a few more minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so we've reached that 4-minute mark. Let's go and vent our machine. All right, now it's time to vent. You just want to put your hand here. Make sure you do not put your hand anywhere near the steam once it starts to release from your pot, and all you want to simply do is just move it right over, just like that. Once your machine is done doing the venting process, releasing all of that steam, you smell so great inside of your house with all of those nice seasonings that you added to your dish inside of your Instant Pot. Once that's done, then it will be safe to open your Instant Pot. Watch as the little red peg will descend and go back into the holding place once all of your steam has been released from the pot. Now it's time to open her up. If you would notice here, it only took roughly about 3 minutes for all the pressure to release from the pot. Make sure you stay away from the steam because there are more steam to be released from the pot. Sit your top in the nice little designated handy holding place. Take a look, that's your finished chicken. And now we're just going to sit it on our pan so that it can release all of the oil and everything from the chicken. And you don't have to take all of your chicken out. You just want to make sure that the pieces that you're going to serve to your family, those are the ones that you take out, because on this machine there's a keep warm button that you can press, and really it do it by default, so that all of the chicken that you don't want to eat right now, it will still stay delicious and warm the entire time. Now it's time to put all of our food on a plate. There you have it, folks, a nice 25-minute meal to prepare for your family that will taste delicious. If you guys want to see more 25-minute meals, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more of our recipes and our 25-minute meals that we prepare for our family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and tune in for the next video.